watch this. The Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 arrives in 2025 as one of the most exciting home entertainment devices for those who want a theater-like experience without the bulk or complexity of traditional setups. Xiaomi has carved a niche for itself by creating sleek, affordable, and high-performing consumer electronics, and the L1 is no exception. It promises a compact design, smart features powered by Android TV, sharp picture quality, and immersive audio, all wrapped in a minimalist package that fits seamlessly into any home. But does it live up to the hype? And can it really compete with the premium projectors from big-name brands? Let's dive into the details. At first glance, the L1 feels like a design statement. Its minimalist cube form factor makes it portable yet elegant, easy to place on a coffee table, shelf, or even carry between rooms. Despite its small size, it packs advanced projection technology capable of producing vivid, detailed images up to 120 inches. This means you can transform your living room wall into a cinematic screen, perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or sports marathons. Xiaomi emphasizes convenience, offering automatic keystone correction and focus adjustments, which means you don't waste time manually tweaking the image every time you move it. The display capabilities are one of the L1's strongest selling points. Supporting full HD resolution with HDR10 compatibility, the projector delivers rich colors, deep contrasts, and sharp clarity. Whether you're watching blockbusters, streaming YouTube, or playing console games, the visual output feels immersive and far superior to what you'd expect from a compact unit. Low latency mode makes it suitable for gaming as well, ensuring smooth input response and minimal lag, a feature that sets it apart from cheaper alternatives. Audio is another area where Xiaomi adds value. Built-in speakers with Dolby audio and DTS support allow you to enjoy surround-like sound without external equipment. The audio projection is surprisingly powerful for a small device, making it ideal for casual use. Of course, for full cinematic immersion, you can connect external sound systems via Bluetooth or HDMI ARC, giving you flexibility based on your setup. Being a smart projector, the L1 runs on Android TV, opening up a world of apps like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, YouTube, and countless others directly from the device. Google Assistant is built in, so you can control playback, adjust volume, or even check the weather using just your voice. With Chromecast integration, streaming content from your phone or laptop is effortless, turning the projector into a central hub for both entertainment and productivity. Connectivity is solid, with multiple ports including HDMI, USB, and audio out, ensuring compatibility with consoles, laptops, and sound systems. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth integration mean you can cut cables altogether and still enjoy seamless streaming. Portability also shines here. Take it outdoors for backyard movie nights, or set it up in a bedroom without needing a permanent installation. Battery life isn't built into the device, so it requires a power source, but its low power consumption and quiet fan operation make it efficient and unobtrusive. For long-term use, Xiaomi has rated the LED light source for over 30,000 hours, meaning you can use it daily for years without worrying about replacement. Of course, no device is perfect. While the Full HD resolution is excellent for its price point, some users might wish for native 4K support, which is becoming more common in premium models. Brightness while sufficient for dim or moderately lit rooms, may struggle in very bright environments. So, optimal performance still requires a controlled lighting setup. But for the price range, the balance of features, portability, and quality is impressive. The bottom line: the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 is a versatile, affordable, and stylish option for anyone looking to bring cinema quality entertainment into their home without the high cost of traditional projectors. It combines great visuals, solid sound, smart integration, and easy portability, making it a compelling choice for families, gamers, and movie enthusiasts alike. Mission accomplished if this review helps you decide whether the L1 deserves a spot in your living room in 2025, or if you should save up for a higher-end alternative.